Fitness is going through a revolution. For decades, workouts meant gyms, trainers, and routines that never truly adapted to individual needs. But now, artificial intelligence is personalizing every rep, every goal, and every plan, creating fitness experiences that learn and evolve with you. That's why AI-powered fitness apps are taking off faster than ever. Instead of static workout programs, they combine smart sensors, personalized recommendations, and real-time feedback to create results that feel human and scale globally. Imagine a fitness experience where your trainer isn't just on a screen, but in the room with you, correcting your posture, tracking your reps, and adjusting your workout in real time. That's exactly what's happening right now, and it's just the beginning. The fitness tech space is seeing massive investment momentum in 2025. Simple Life, a London-based AI health app, recently raised $35 million in Series B funding, led by Kevin Hart's Heartbeat Ventures. Its AI coach, Avo, uses large language models to deliver personalized, sustainable weight loss guidance. No strict diets, just adaptive coaching. Meanwhile, Magic AI, another London startup, has raised $9 million to develop the AI Mirror, a home fitness device that projects a hologram trainer, tracks movement, corrects form, and personalizes over 240 workouts. AI is reshaping fitness, making coaching smarter, tracking sharper, and workouts deeply personal. But even with all this innovation, there's still room for AI-powered fitness apps built for specific audiences, from gym chains to local trainer networks. The future isn't another workout app. It's intelligent companions that adapt to every user, learning from progress and improving with every session. An AI fitness app can start small and scale fast, powered by data, personalization, and real-time feedback. Join us as we explore the step-by-step flow of our AI-powered fitness app, how it personalizes every move, every rep, and every user journey. Let's start with the user app, showcasing a personalized fitness experience. When you open the app, the top section greets you with a personalized message, "Good morning," followed by your daily readiness score, a quick snapshot of how prepared your body is for the day. Right below that, you'll find a quick AI workout card. Tapping it takes you straight into the AI-powered workout generator, where the app instantly creates a session based on your goals, energy levels, or time available. Here, the user can browse quick suggestions, generate a full workout, or chat directly with the AI coach. There's also a chat with AI coach option. Inside this space, an AI coach is always online, ready to help with anything from generating workouts, giving meal suggestions, offering motivation, or answering fitness questions. You can scroll through previous conversations, see all past interactions, search by keywords, or simply type in a new question. Going back to the home screen, you'll see today's plan, where the app shows your scheduled workout, for example, upper body strength. If you tap Start, the workout begins with built-in controls like pause, stop, reset, and set-by-set progression. Scrolling further, you get the rest of today's exercises, laid out clearly as part of your structured training program. At the bottom, there are two quick access tools. AI Builder, which creates personalized training sessions instantly, and History, which lets you revisit past workouts. Next, when you move to the meal plan, the app displays your daily nutrition breakdown, dishes planned for the day, calorie count, macros, and your consumption so far. You'll also find the AI food scanner here. Tap it to scan any meal and let the AI identify ingredients and estimate nutritional values automatically. For example, today the dashboard may show that you've consumed 1,650 out of 2,150 calories, including 55 grams of protein, with a full breakdown just below. Back on the home screen, scrolling further reveals your daily habits. Tapping it opens a dedicated section showing today's habit checklist, water intake, sleep hours, daily steps, meditation sessions, vitamin intake, and any stretching sessions logged. You'll also find recovery metrics like heart rate variability, sleep quality, and stress level. At the bottom of the app, you'll find the main navigation menu. From here, you can move through all of your core sections smoothly. The first section is the workout plan, where you can view your full weekly schedule and the sessions prepared for each day. Next, the nutrition plan opens your meals, calorie targets, and daily intake details. After that, the habits and recovery section helps you monitor your routines, your sleep, your stress levels, and your daily wellness activities. And finally, in the progress and insights, you can track your current weight, see how much you've gained or lost, follow your progress charts, monitor calorie intake trends, and view achievement badges. You can also export or share this data directly from the app. Let's take a look at the Trainer app and see how it helps coaches manage clients and sessions effortlessly. At the top of the screen, the app greets the trainer with a friendly message. For example, it says, "Good morning, Bob," followed by, "Ready to train." Just below that, you can instantly see the number of sessions scheduled for the day and how many active clients the trainer currently has. This is the main dashboard, giving a quick snapshot of the trainer's daily workload. As you scroll down, you'll find today's session details, a list of upcoming workouts and appointments. Right below that, there's a section called Needs Attention, which highlights any clients who have not been active recently. This helps the trainer quickly identify who might need a follow-up or extra motivation. Next, there's the Client section, which acts as a full client management system. Here, the trainer can view all clients at once, as well as filter them into active or inactive categories. Within these categories, there's also an at-risk tag that automatically marks clients who may need special attention based on their recent activity or performance data. The trainer can also add a new client manually with a single tap, or have one added automatically from the admin panel. Moving on to the program segment, this is where the trainer creates or customizes workout plans. The interface provides 3 clear options: template, custom, and AI generated. In the template view, you'll see all pre-built programs already available, each tagged by level such as intermediate for upper body strength or advanced for a cardiovascular plan. The custom section allows trainers to build personalized programs from scratch, while the AI-generated option lets them create a new program instantly with one tap. The AI uses 3 key factors to design these plans: client goals, available equipment, and program duration. Next comes the Schedule tab. Here, the trainer can view all upcoming sessions throughout the day. For example, Sarah at 9 a.m., Mike at 11 a.m., James at 3 p.m., and Lisa at 5 p.m. If any client needs to change their timing, the trainer can easily reschedule the session through the same screen. Following that is the Analytics and Learning section, where the trainer can monitor performance metrics and overall business growth. This includes details like total revenue earned, client retention rates, and average sessions per week. The app also provides AI-powered insights to help improve results. Scrolling further, you'll find visual charts showing revenue trends over time, along with a client breakdown that displays weekly numbers. There's also a session analytics section summarizing this month's total sessions, completion rates, average duration, and session quality scores. With all these tools combined, the Trainer app gives every coach complete visibility into their clients, programs, and business performance, all from one place. Welcome to the admin panel. This is the central dashboard that gives you complete control over the entire fitness platform. When you open the panel, you first see the main dashboard. It shows the total number of users, active trainers, new signups, and personalization insights. As you scroll down, the dashboard displays quick visual graphs and activity trends that help you understand what is happening on the platform at a glance. Next, we move to the User section. This is the user management area, where you can see the details of every user on the platform. You can view their name, email, assigned trainer, activity level, and current status. You can filter users by active or inactive status, search for specific profiles, and also add new users whenever needed. Now we go to the Trainer section. This works very similar to user management, but with trainer-specific details. Here, you can check how many clients a trainer has, their average rating, their age and weight insights, their total revenue, and their specialties. You can also edit trainer information or invite new trainers with a simple click. Move to Payments and Subscriptions. This section shows the financial performance of the platform. You can see the total revenue from subscriptions, the average revenue per user, revenue trends over time, and detailed information about transactions and active subscriptions. You also have the option to export full payment reports. Next is the content library. This is where all your exercises, workout plans, and meal plans are stored. At the top, you can view total items and the average engagement rate. When you open any of the categories, like exercises, workouts, or meal plans, you can see individual items, their descriptions, and their media files. You can edit them or create new items whenever you want. After that, we go to Reports and Analytics. This is one of the most powerful sections of the admin panel. Here, you can check user activity levels, session durations, workout completion rates, app retention, growth trends, popular workout types, and device usage. You can also see which trainers are performing the best. Every report helps you understand how users and trainers are interacting with the platform. Next, we move to AI configuration. This section controls how the AI in the app behaves. Here, you can check model accuracy, average response time, and the number of daily AI requests. You can also turn AI features on or off, such as chat assistance, meal plan generation, progress analysis, injury prevention, form correction, motivation messages, and workout recommendations. You can switch between different AI models, retrain them, tune performance, or even create new models whenever required. Then we go to support and notifications. This area shows all the customer support activity handled by the AI system. You can view open tickets, average response time, resolution rates, and overall customer satisfaction. It also shows all notifications and alerts, so you never miss any important update. Next, we move to compliance and security. This section keeps the system safe and compliant. You can view user data requests, verification logs, security events, and compliance alerts. Every detail is recorded to ensure high security across the entire platform. Finally, we have the AI System Assistant. This is a built-in assistant inside the admin panel. You can ask questions and instantly get insights such as user growth, revenue trends, engagement patterns, and system performance. You can also generate automated reports and receive recommendations directly from the AI. This completes the walkthrough of the admin panel. It is the command center that connects the trainer app, the user app, and the AI system, bringing the entire fitness ecosystem together in one powerful place. AI fitness apps combine software, service, and subscription into a powerful recurring model. You can launch fast with a one-time setup and recurring revenue from subscriptions, digital training packs, or live trainer sessions. Start local, a gym network in Berlin, a trainer community in California, or a fitness brand in London, and scale globally once engagement data proves traction. Every session makes the AI smarter, workouts more personal, and your business more scalable. That's how you turn a fitness product into a growth engine. The next wave of fitness belongs to platforms that understand people, not just track them. AI-powered fitness apps bring that intelligence to every workout, every plan, every goal. At Code Brew Labs, we help founders and fitness brands turn that vision into reality. From user onboarding to AI-driven analytics, we design, develop, and deploy working fitness products that can launch in as little as 30 days. So click the link in the description, fill out a short form, and let's build your own AI-powered fitness app, one that grows stronger with every user. The future of fitness is personal, predictive, and powered by AI. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more insights on building real-world AI products.